All right, here we are at the ilFornino Pizza Laboratory. We're gonna make a buffalo chicken pizza outside here. We have the ilFornino Nino oven, which we're gonna be using today, which could be gas or wood, your choice. Today we're using the gas option. Right now it's running pretty hot. We took the door off. Right now it's at 660 on the floor, and the ambient temperature up top is like 900. This is Fahrenheit. So it's super, super hot. It's gonna cook quick, it's gonna cook evenly. It's going to be crispy, just the best of everything. A little semolina to ensure we get a nice slide off of there. Hello. So this will be buffalo sauce, cheese, and a little breaded chicken. Check it out. One of my favorites, I mean, the debate really is, are we going to use blue cheese or ranch at the end? I prefer blue cheese. And we're going to launch it onto our peel and then slide her into the Nino. Let's see what happens. Straighten it out a little bit. Get our cheese placement just right and all our toppings just right. Now she's ready for the oven. And for the launch, take a look. Now it should be about 20 seconds on this first side. Make sure it gets set, make sure you get a nice little puff. Okay, so now we have the ilFornino turning peel that we're going to use, perforated, so we get a nice some air underneath, and it's easy to spin too. It's a little bit smaller than the diameter of the pizza itself. Let's take a look at the bottom. Ooh, the bottom is perfect. Get in here close, you can really see how the bottom's cooking right away. You see that, right? We'll give it a little spin. Oh, it's just perfect. This cooks great. I mean, this is better than you can even imagine until you try it yourself. Cooks, like I said, fast, evenly, crispy. I'm gonna go to the other side. Always look for the side that's a little bit lighter, and then we're gonna put that towards the flame. Very nice. It's very nice. Take a look. Just about. We're gonna get it a little, I like it crispy, so I'm gonna just give it a little bit more time. That's obviously personal preference if you want it a little bit less or more cooked. And that's all she wrote. Take a look. And let's take a look at the bottom of it. Look at that, you hear that crisp almost, right? You see that, gorgeous. Got the audio on that. Yes, the ilFornino Nino pizza oven, you gotta try it. It's incredible. This is about 2 minutes, I think, and it's perfect. Try it for yourself, ilFornino.com.